Hey beautiful, welcome back to another video. My name is Lanika Nicole. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we are doing a monthly maintenance video. Y'all, January, the winter months in general are just always hard for me, and not just me, for everybody. A lot of us suffer from seasonal affective disorder, and it's mainly because we've been conditioned to believe that the new year starts in January when it actually starts in March when the spring starts. You can't start new in the dead of winter. Like, you start doing things are blooming and life is happening, but that's beside the point, guys. So today we are doing our monthly maintenance. Here I am looking at my eyebrows. I'm about to tint my eyebrows. I'm going to wax them. I'm also going to go in and do a underarm detox and a wax under my arms. I also waxed my, I did a Brazilian wax on myself, and I also did a vajacial. But of course, that is not pictured here. But these are the things that I typically like to do just to restart every month and get me right. Here I am starting to apply my apply my tint. I use Henna Tint to tint my eyebrows. I love Henna Tint. It is so great, and it lasts for like a month. It is so amazing. So I typically fill out the outside, and then I fill in the inside a little bit later, just because you want to have that like ombre effect. Here I am cleaning them up, making sure I look cute. You see it. So in the meantime, while I'm waiting for that to sit, I'm going to go ahead and wax my lip. Y'all, I hate this. Oh, it hurts so bad. But you know what? It's okay. It got to be done. As I get older, I don't have a mustache, but I got these little whiskers. And baby, they got to go. Like, you can't be having that. So now my eyebrows are done. Time for me to take the henna off. I just take them off with some water after they set really nice. Oh my God, I love henna so much, y'all. I'm thinking about starting to get like a lash lift and my lashes tinted. So I'll keep y'all, up to date on that. So here I am cleaning up my eyebrows just to make sure that they look so good. Because y'all, your eyebrows is the center of your face. I know it may seem like it's your nose, but it's not. It's them eyebrows. And if you don't got nobody to do your eyebrows real good and you in Charlotte, hit me up, hit your girl up, because I do this. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do. So this is the outcome. Oh my God, y'all, they are so amazing. But they also lighten up after a couple of days. So like it's so perfect after a couple of days. So y'all, I went in and started waxing this underarm, and I shouldn't have done that. I should have went in and did my underarm detox first, because like you waxing, you exfoliate, and then you go put apple cider vinegar under your arms. Just do the detox first, sis. Do that first. But this is just bentonite clay mixed with some apple cider vinegar. Mix it in real nice together till it's a nice consistency like that. And then you just want to apply it under your arms. You want to let it sit. I let mine sit, honestly, y'all, for probably like 15 minutes because I wanted to really like soak up all the toxins and everything. After that, I went in just with a wet paper towel to clean everything up and off. And then I applied some oil. This is the aftermath. Y'all, it's so amazing. When you do this detox, you don't have to like wear deodorant for like a couple days. It's so good. So this is me going upstairs. We're about to do our shower, a monthly reset. This is just so important to me, y'all. I don't know. My self-care, like I said this year in my last video, self-care is it's the one thing that like gets me back on track. When I feel like I'm lost, when I feel like I don't know what to do, I get in the shower. Like, I plan in the shower. I don't only like exfoliate, take care of myself, take care of my body, but I plan, I sing, I cry, I rejoice, all of that in the shower. So here I am going in with the dry brushing. Y'all, dry brushing is a great thing to incorporate into your skincare routine. It not only exfoliates, but it also does lymphatic drainage for your body, which is really, really super important. So y'all, don't skimp. Like, we love ourselves. We take care of ourselves. Like, that's our duty right there. So this is me putting up all this hair into this daggone shower cap. Y'all, so I ran out of options once my hair started getting longer. So my boyfriend started making us shower caps. He actually sewed this and everything, came up with the design, bought the material. Let me know down below if y'all want them, because I could maybe persuade him to bring them back. Maybe, we'll see. So I always go in with a white washcloth whenever I do my downstairs, my vagina and my booty. here I am going in with the Naturium, the Smoother Glycolic Acid, just to give me a little bit more exfoliation. I told y'all I got KP in my last video. Y'all, this compared with the African net is when I tell you. Then I go in with the Lumi Acidified body wash. It just is going to help to keep any smells away. I haven't tried the Lumi deodorant, but this body wash is amazing. So now I'm doing my body care. I start off with the Hyaluronic Acid. This helps me stay moisturized and keep the moisture in all freaking day. I put this on when my skin is still wet, and I typically let it dry. After that, after I let it dry all over my skin, I typically go in with the Amlactin Intensive Healing Lactic Acid lotion. This is such a good consistency. After that, I like to seal everything in with the oil. Today I'm using the baby oil gel with vitamin E. So this is amazing. I told y'all about the Yoni oil. This is from Goddess of the Sea. Go get it, period. The Witch Hazel Hack. Put it on those spots that you sweat, and it will keep you like nice and odor free all day. So the last part of our routine is the skincare. This is my favorite part. That's why, well, I do it last for a couple of reasons, but this is also the reason. Make sure y'all are washing your hands before you do your skincare routine. You want to make sure that they are clean. I love these little wristbands that I got. They keep the water from dripping out down my daggone throat. Down my arm. I'm going in with, I'm going to do a double cleanse. I always do a double cleanse. I'm going in with the CeraVe oil facial wash first. I do that first. Then I'm going to go in with the Niacinimide cleansing jelly from Naturium. I typically cycle out my products, so you'll see me use different things for my skincare because I like to cycle them out. But this is a really good facial wash as well. The niacinamide helps to balance out your skin tone. It's really nice, and I love the texture of it as well. Don't forget to get your neck, baby, get your neck. Y'all, these Clean Skin Club towels are everything. Do not be washing your face with the same towels that you wash your butt with or anything else with. Wash your face with a disposable towel, a paper towel, or get you some of these off Amazon. They ain't even that expensive, baby. I'm going to try to have them linked below for y'all. Next, I'm going to go in with the Laneige Cream Skin. This is a toner and a moisturizer. Y'all, I got this hack this product recommendation from Jazz Turner on YouTube. It is so amazing. It keeps my skin moisturized, and I got dry skin, so it's a little bit. Next, I'm going to go with my vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Make sure you got you a vitamin C. It is integral for every skin type. Don't forget, get you a vitamin C, baby. If you ain't never took nothing else, take that from me. Next is the Retinol serum from Naturium. Y'all, Naturium gonna have to pay me because I'm just putting y'all on all kinds of products. Next is the CosRx Snail Mucin. This stuff is amazing as well. It keeps you nice and moisturized all day. Next is the caffeine solution from The Ordinary for your under eye. I typically apply with my ring finger because it's the lightest pressure that you have on your hand. Next, we're going in with the Verse Dewpoint Moisturizing Gel Cream. This is a really lightweight but deeply moisturizing cream that I use. The last thing is the Black Girl Sunscreen. Oh my God, y'all, this is the product. Forget the vitamin C. Get you some sunscreen from Black Girl Sunscreen. Look at her. She shining. Gorgeous. Yes, you so fine. Yeah. Next, we're going in with the Native deodorant and our body oil. Can't forget that. And this Mix Bar Mist from Target. Y'all, Target got some good fragrances. This is my outfit that I'm going to put on. It's just simple. I'm just kind of hanging around the house, cleaning and cooking today. But I just want to be functional, cute, but comfy. So I'm applying my body oil into all them hot spots. Boom, 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 boom. Don't forget to get under your boobs and in between there. Get the back of your knees, get the back of your ears. You know, those are places that really tend to hold the smells. Y'all, this body mist from Target, it smells so good. And it's a hair and a body mist. And when I tell you it lasts all day, I used it yesterday and I still smell like it today because I haven't showered yet, but I'm just like, oh my God, I smell so good. Go get it. Try out Target. You don't got to spend so much on everything, y'all. So this is the outfit. It's so cute. Thank y'all so much for messing with me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.